in desperate need of a haircut. Alright, hello gamers. Today I wanted to talk about Hamza. I bet a lot of you know who Hamza is, the infamous code leader of the Jeffries seeking to improve themselves and transform into Adonis. I'm grateful to him for pushing young men to improve themselves and reject today's social norms. Norms like how it's okay to be out of shape, putting women on a pedestal, and instant gratification. He is definitely the reason I was able to get out of the rut I was in, and I'm grateful that I discovered his channel. Why am I sitting like this, bro? But he does like to bash on people who play video games and how it's a waste of time. And I do kind of agree with him, but only to a certain extent. I'm here to argue that it's not necessarily true. At the moment, I'm reading a book, which you've probably heard of, called The Millionaire Fastlane, which I highly recommend to you. In it, generating income is defined as generating freedom, which is one of the 3 F's required for happiness. 3 F's are fitness, family, and freedom. It's all about converting the consumer mindset into a producer mindset. We live in a day and age where you can generate income from basically anything. There's thousands of people who've turned their hobby into their job because of the internet, including playing video games. I hope you can see what kind of argument I'm trying to make here. If you can generate income, or aka freedom, then the activity you are doing cannot be considered as waste of time. Instead of just playing video games and actually wasting your time, why not start streaming it and make videos around it? After a while of being consistent and producing content, you might be able to turn it into a decent side hustle, or maybe even go full time with it. Maybe the game you play is competitive and you are really good at it, then you can teach other people on how to get good at the game too and charge them for it. Or maybe you can make an online class and sell it. If you enjoy watching movies, why not start making video reviews or maybe even recaps and uploading them on YouTube? Maybe it is still somewhat of a waste of time, but there's a chance that you can make a return on it. By the way, if you guys haven't seen those movie recap channels on YouTube, they're literally making millions out of recapping a 2-hour movie in 10 minutes. If you like reading books or comics or mangas or whatever, do reviews or something of the sort. I'm sure you know better than me on what's popular in your sort of niche. Maybe you want to learn a new language, and if that's the case, play your video games in the language you want to learn in, or watch a movie you want to watch with subtitles in the language that you want to learn in. Then you make the unproductive activity into a productive one. I hope you see my point. I'm just planting some ideas in your head. It's up to you to come up with how to make the activity productive. The possibilities are endless and you just have to be a bit creative with it. I'd argue you can make any type of activity which could be considered as a waste of time into something productive and profitable. You just have to give it a little bit of thought on how to make that happen. Just don't overindulge on it and sacrifice other more important things that you can do with your time. Once you're done with your work for the day and feel like spending an hour or two on playing video games, watching movies, or whatever type of hobby you have, but feel guilty afterwards, find a way to make it productive. And that guilt is gonna disappear. Thanks for watching, guys. This video is sponsored by my Twitch channel, on which I try to stream basically every day from around 7 till around 9 or 10 CEST. If you enjoy my content, maybe consider dropping by on my stream and having a little chat with me about anything. Also consider dropping this video a like, as it does help me quite a lot by spreading it into other people's feeds, and please comment below on what you thought of this video and maybe even drop some constructive criticism on how I can improve. Subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this, as it does motivate me quite a lot to continue producing this type of content. Thanks for watching again, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.